Alright guys, back to my cube again. I'm going to scroll in a little bit, change my view. Okay, then I'm going to go to edit mode and I want to show you the knife tool. So I edit that, hit the A, and I'm going to be on faces. Okay, I had to restart Blender because it's acting weird. So I click a face. And there's something called the knife tool if I click on it. And this reminds me a lot of like in Photoshop, that magnetic lasso tool. It's kind of a pain in the hiney. If you start doing something and you're like, oh, I didn't mean to do that. It's just like, you might as well redo it because it's really irritating. I mean, it's just one of those things. It's not as precise as I want to. It's all right. If I want to make a triangle out of the side of it, if I click on a vertex, I drag it to, say, another edge. Okay. All right, and then I hit the return, because if you start clicking again, it'll just like, it's like that magnetic tool in Photoshop just goes everywhere. It's really aggravating. So hit the return key. Now both of the triangles are selected. Let's hit the A key. Let's right click on whichever one I want, and I'm going to turn the view. I'm going to rotate the view, and then I hit the E for extrude. And I'm going to, sometimes I just hit the return key, okay? So then I've got like a little ramp. Maybe I could do a modernistic looking chair or create just a different look. And then here's kind of neat. I haven't tried this. Like maybe I go back in and I subdivide. Oh, look at that. That's kind of different. So you could create like this abstract looking chair. It could be A, here, extrude. Or could I make just a X, here, return. You know, change up the shape of my table leg. This is a great way to kind of alter your table leg or a chair leg. So it just really depends on how you're going to use it. But yeah, the subdividing tool, it doesn't equally subdivide it on the triangle part, but I just wanted to show you guys that. But yeah, the knife tool, it can be helpful for carving out little shapes that you want.